Hello everyone, this is Tom with Stock Navigators and this is today's market update for July 21st, 2020. So if you watched my market update yesterday, I said that if the market is able to get out of the resistance line on June 8th, and now they will come back and retest it. That's what they did. So in the morning they gave up, they pull back down, they come back, they retest it before the buyer step back in again. So overall, the trend is still bullish. We are in the big vacuum hole here. Let's see what the market is going to do next. Are they be able to get up and test the all-time high here, which is not too far from the top here. So, but the momentum, as long as they still hang it up there, the bull is still in control. So if you look at the other index, okay, the NQ in our live trading room this morning, as you can see that we already know that when the market hit to our sell zone. So if you are a member of Top Navigator, you'll be able to see where the sell zone, where the buy zone, and this blue box here, we already put it early in the morning. The market go up here in the morning, then they slam down right into the box before they stabilize. And if you look at the ES, also we have a box it already raw out early in the morning, even the market up here, and then we know that the market will get up there, and then it will come down and test the support area here, and then they come back and test it before they be able to stabilize and bow it back up from there. The uh, the Russell 2000, as you can see that it hold up very well today. Even the ES and NQ they come in down, but the Russell like we said IWM is still very strong after they get out of this area and they still put it back up in the upside. So that helped to lift a lot of mid cap stock moving the upside. And one thing here in the gold, as you see here, the gold is still build a nice flag pattern here. And then when they get out on the weekend, we said that this one is still bull. They get out and then they jump up very fast into the upside. And you can see that the oil also try to push it back up. But now they run out of gas, so they pull back and retest before they can go higher. But the euro, it definitely they hit our target right there. So since last week, we know that this one is going to come up, and then they go back, and then they did get there. And the Bitcoin it also get out of the Dow resistance line, and be able to push it back up also. So you can see that the market it go the direction of the chart. If you know how to read the chart, you can see clearly where they are heading to. And if you are a day trader today, it's not much for the market. As you can see that the market they early in the morning when the market open, and then they slam back down and they put it back up, they put it back down very a narrow range, and then they hang there until the last minute, and then they pull back down and retest the buy zone, and then after that they bow back up. So you can see here not much room for the day trade to make a big profit, a little bit risky because we know that the trend is still down, but we don't know when until the last minute. So we only be able to take a quick a short here in the direction of the trend down, and then we wrap a quick money for 425 bucks for the day trade. But in the other hand, we do it very well in the or the swing trade technique that we have from Stock Navigator. They call set it and forget it. So you see here, if you look at our weekly market forecast, you see one of them, BNTX, they hit right into the target zone, one of them, and you can see that why it's another one that's on the way, and another one is a UEC. Okay, they come back right into the top right there, and CALX. That's another one we highlight. It continues to go to the top, and the a lot of mining gold. They go here right into the stick. Okay, and then we set it, forget it, hit our target, we out, and say thank you. And another one that we have, same thing. They go there right into our target, and then done. So if the night move, when they get out here, they go right up there, and then you take the profit. So that's what we have for you for today. And then let's see where the market is heading to tomorrow. The overall trend is still bullish. So we will continue to stick with the upside until things change. And then the market try to go back and test the old time high there. So, we will monitor carefully to see that what are they going to do next. And we will let you know. So thank you very much. If you like what I'm doing here, give me a thumb up and please sign up with our YouTube channel. So every time we have a new video, we will alert you so that you can see right away. And if you want to learn more about our method of swing trading as well as a short-term daily income, and you can check out our website at stocknavigators.com for more information. Again, thank you for watching. We will see you on the next video.